Recorded a WebEx meeting and ended up with a KRF file. This is a recording file from Cisco WebEx Meetings used to capture meeting content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these recordings. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering KRF files with corrupted internal metadata. A proprietary video recording format created by Cisco WebEx Meetings. Users encounter KRF files when they need to play back a training session, webinar, or online meeting that was recorded using an older version of the WebEx software. These files require a specific WebEx player for viewing and conversion. The KRF format is a binary container designed to bundle video, audio, and presentation data, like screen sharing and annotations, into a single file. It was engineered for network streaming and efficient storage, but its proprietary nature means it is not directly compatible with standard media players. To maintain file fidelity, use Cisco WebEx Player, developed by Cisco Systems Inc. to open KRF. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows plays video smoothly when supported, but unsupported types require extra codecs. To force file access, right-click your KRF file and select Open With. If Cisco WebEx Player is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the KRF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, installing the player. Download and install the Cisco WebEx Network Recording Player from the Cisco WebEx website. The free player is required to open KRF files and is available for Windows and Mac OS, providing complete playback functionality for WebEx meeting recordings. Next, playing the recording. Double-click the KRF file to launch it in the WebEx Network Recording Player, or use File then Open within the player. The recording plays with synchronized audio-video screen content and chat replicating the original meeting experience for review and reference. Finally, converting to MP4. Use the WebEx Network Recording Player file, then Convert Format option to export the recording as an MP4 file. The conversion produces a standard MP4 video playable in any media player and shareable across platforms without requiring the WebEx Player installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.